Well, it's Wednesday, September 27th. And I'm sitting here watching my hummingbirds in the morning. And out the window I noticed, oh, did he fly away? Please don't fly away. I'm trying to get him on film. It's a woodpecker. Oh, dang, he's gone. Well, crap, maybe he'll come back. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's been chewing that limb right there, which is directly over my power line. It's got a big old hole in it. Let me see if you can see. I don't know if you can see that. Big old hole right in there. But, oh man, hurts my eyes. Anyway, my neighbors was out here a couple months ago trying to get the power company to cut that. And they said it wasn't over the power line or something stupid. Wouldn't do it. But look, that's dead ass limb right over my power line. So, not the neighbor's fault if it breaks. It's the power company's, I'd say. Oh, dang, I'll see you come back. He's been out there for like 3 or 4 mornings. Well, every time I get close to that, it's a Danny woodpecker up there. Every time I get close to him, he flies away. My stupid piece of crap phone won't focus from here. See, he's pretty much all the way up inside that limb now. It's like a 3-inch wide hole that last time I looked up at it. Like I said, it's right over my power line. There's my power line coming through there. Barely see it. All them limbs are over it. I noticed a couple months ago, the neighbors out there arguing with the power company about trying to get them to trim them trees down. He said there wasn't no problem with them. It was okay. No need for to cut them down. So if that falls down, knocks my power out, I'm gonna be really, really pissed. I've been watching for like a week now. You know, pretty much every day. And watching my hummingbirds. And all my cats. You can probably hear them whining. Why Tommy whining? Whining Tommy. It's usually Bobo whining. There he goes. There's Bart. There's Jelly Bell. Jessica. Come on, hummingbirds. I've been trying to get a video of them, but I've just been too busy whenever they've been busy doing their thing. Trying to get ready for work this morning. Anyway, hopefully that don't fall on my dang power line, because I hate it when the power goes off out here. And they probably try to make us pay for it. So, we're hoping. Welcome, my Indian guy. Let's get him from this way. Welcome. That's cool. I got that from my dad. Oh, Kaya in the house. Anyway, oh, Jesse's taking a squat. I'm going to go in and finish getting ready for work. Later, guys.
I'm going to help all of you. And I mean to do it my way.
You guys going all the way up in there.
Sit down.
Whoa. It's hard to do with my binoculars.
I think we can
Look at that. I ain't going all the way up in there.
But if you don't want to do it this way, we have nothing more to talk about.
Man, that's a hole. Hold on. There's my hummy. There's 3 of them. Call them Dart and Zip. And then, not sure what the other one's going to be called. The hummingbirds live average of 5 years. And this guy getting ready to travel all the way down to South America, Central South America, like 2,000 miles for the winter. The next year, good chance he'll come right back to this exact same hummingbird feeder. I got one in my back too. That's the more normal one, but I put one in this tree one year. This tree right here, it's in my front yard. A few years ago. And just for like a week, but then the cats was attacking it too much. Oh, there he is. So I took it down, but they keep coming to this tree ever since, and they're still looking. You guys are so cool. Wait for his buddy to come up and scare him off. Yeah, it's foggy as shit today, in case you can't notice that. You can't even see. There's a house over that way. 200 yards. Can't see it at all. Still up there, zippy dippy. God, I can't pick him out. Where's he at? Where did he go? I can't tell which leaf is him. Oh, there he went. Tweety, you get off the screen. Get down. Stupid cats. Gotta keep the cats away from him. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my little buddy. Spend the mornings with him. Or her. I think it's a him. No, I think that's a her, actually. And the him comes up. And then the other intruder comes up. And they all go flying off. But anyway. Good luck, everybody. Got a bunch of turkeys out here. Come on, man. There's quite a few of them. Come on, you stupid phone. It's really foggy. Don't get a whole lot of turkeys out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at least. I think he spotted me. Yeah, come on, phone. You ain't picking it up through the fog. Oh, there you go running. Damn it, this fucking phone sucks so bad. There's Bart. There's my cats. I got these spider webs. There's a guy down in there. Get down in there. Got a bunch of them out here in my yard. That big one. Whoa. You home, buddy? Are you home? Oh, focus. Well, that was kind of cool. Wish you could have seen it. Wish I would have scared him off since I didn't even get it on video. Don't look like. I could have watched him for a while. Maybe they'll come back. Come on, Bubbo.